Hello and welcome back to the channel. I'm Pokémon Collects 56 and in today's episode we're going to be opening up a couple of these. And as an added bonus today, we're going to be opening up one of these, the Yu Nagaba Evolutions packs. Of course, if you remember in last week's video, we said we're going to be opening up a box of fake cards. That still has not arrived yet, so it is harder to get fake cards than it is legitimate cards at this point. But with all that being said, let's get straight on into the video. So the reason I got two of these is because they were on offer. Apparently it was not a very popular box, but I believe we've got some good packs inside. If you see there, peeking at the top, we have got a pack of Evolving Skies, and that's the same for both boxes. So well worth it for £16. Let's see if we can get some good pulls from Evolving Skies. So after a bit of wrestling trying to open the box, which I will most definitely edit out, here is what we've got. We have got our promo card, which is this Galarian Rapidash V card. And we've got our code card there. Feel free to use that one. Of course, we get a very nice jumbo version of these. And oh my god, look at the packs we got here. We have two Vivid Voltage, a card set known for pretty much just the one card, but if we get that one card, we are laughing. We have got the all-important Evolving Skies. Cannot wait to rip into one of that. And a pack I have opened hardly any of, Cosmic Eclipse. What a banger of a pack if we can get some of those golden hits. So let us start off with the Vivid Voltage. And four. Alright, we've got the Water Energy, Moo Cheese, Therathorn, Caralis, Joltik, Sandile, Seedot, happily stomping through the autumn leaves, Pikipek, Mudbray, League Staff, and do we get a hit? Electros, unfortunately not a hit from the first Vivid Voltage. So, moving on to the next Vivid Voltage. Honestly, £16 for two Vivid Voltage, the Cosmic Eclipse, and an Evolving Skies is an absolute steal. Right. Darkness Energy, Girafarig, Alistair, Nessa, Galarian Meowth, Duskull, I think we might have a hit, Voltorb, Weedle, Drillbur, Bee, and Dreadnought. Alright, let's get my hopes up there. Alright, which one do you think we're going to go for first? Evolving Skies or Cosmic Eclipse? Let's go for the Evolving Skies. Right. So I have had luck with Evolving Skies and getting a good pull out of it. We have pulled the Rayquaza on this channel before. 2, 3, 4. There we go. And we have a Fire Energy, Raihan, Ribombee, Flaffy, Scraggy, Dagon, Woobat, Timepole, Sayai, Slackoff, and a Regidrago. Alright, we got a hit, but not the one we're after. Ending off the first box with the Cosmic Eclipse. So excited to open this pack up. So, I think the card trick is the same. 1, 2, 3. Let's do 3 just in case. Alright, we got Zangoose. A lot of these arts I've not seen before. Floette, Gloom, Carvanha, Helioptile, Dupida, or Dupida, whichever one you want to call it. Golett, that's a pretty cool one. Teddiursa, like the Arceus statue in the back there. Sawsbuck and Glalie. Okay, and yeah, so it is the same card trick there. Moving on to the second box. So this box we got the same stuff. We got the same promo card, the same jumbo card, and there we go. We'll give you another code card. Have a look at that one. And for the visually impaired, here's a larger one. So we got, again, same lineup. Vivid Voltage, Evolving Skies, and Cosmic Eclipse. How sick would it be to get one of the tag cards from one of these? So we'll start off like we did last time with Vivid Voltage. What I'm hoping for, same as everyone else, we want to see that Chonkachu. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. We've got Darkness Energy, Zeb Striker, Coating Energy, Heroes Medal, Execute, Eevee. Ooh, maybe that's a sign of what we're going to get in our Yu Nagaba Eevee pack. A Woobat, Arrokuda, Seedot, Dreadnought, and Garbodor. What a load of trash. Second Vivid Voltage. I do miss ripping into these older packs. I suppose now they are actually older packs now. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Especially that Cosmic Eclipse. Sun and Moon era. Right, so we've got Lightning Energy, Stone Energy, Shuckle, Cramorant, Poochyena, Litzel, Rockruff, Skidoo, Ferroseed, Arrokuda, and alright, an actual hit. We have a Colossal V. Evolving Skies. We have another shot at something great. Three and 4. So we have Psychic Energy, Toy Catcher, Raihan, Vigoroth, Glossifer, Fletchling, Scraggy, Hippo Potas, Timepole, Bergmite, and a Appleton. Alright, no hit on that one. Okay, this needs to be our saving grace, the Cosmic Eclipse pack. Hopefully we can get something good and totally redeem all of this. But the question I have for you is this going to be last pack magic or last pack tragic? Torkoal. Great catcher. Hopefully we get a great pull in this one. Probopass, Palpitoad, Emperor Palpitoad, Welmer, Onyx, Toga Demaru, Tepig, Saruba and a Lowland Persian GX. We have a hit. It is last pack magic. So before we review all our amazing hits from this set, end out the video on a little bonus. The Yu Nagaba Pokemon card evolutions. So the big one from this everyone is after is the Umbreon. I haven't got any of them yet. I really do not mind what we get. So comment down below, what are we going to get? Give you 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Show me Eevee. We've got Espeon. Wicked. I am happy with any single one of those. Like I say, I haven't got a single one. I do have the Yu Nagaba Pikachu, so problem is now I've got this one. Do I go after the whole set? So not much in the way of hits in today's video, unfortunately, but always worth taking the risk, especially when you can find these big packs like Cosmic Eclipse, like Evolving Skies, and you can find them for a price like that. You'd be dumb not to. So our hits were the Colossal V and the Alolan Persian GX, and of course our very, very nice Yu Nagaba Espeon. If you liked what we did here on the channel today, let me know by leaving a sub. Until I see you again though, I've been Pokémon Collects 56, and you have been awesome.